Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the UTV Hood from Tusk. All right, today we're giving you a quick look at this UTV Hood from Tusk. Now, if you have a Polaris UTV and you're looking for a replacement hood, because maybe yours is damaged, maybe you lost it, yes, that does happen. Well, this is a great inexpensive replacement. What's great about this hood is that, as you can see, it has that same look and styling as the hoods for the turbo models. So for riders that say have an XP1000 like I'm standing here next to right now, if you lost your hood, you need a replacement or it's damaged, or maybe you just want to upgrade to a more sporty or aggressive looking hood, well, this will do that for you. Now, for you turbo models out there, this is going to be pretty much just a replacement hood for your UTV that you have now. Now, just make sure that with these, they are machine specific, so enter the make, the model, and the year of your side-by-side. That way you know it's going to fit. But lastly, one cool feature about this hood is you can see in the front here, you have this scoop. So that's just going to help promote a little bit more airflow. Your radiators are located right down here below it, so it's just going to get more air in and help keep your engine cooler. So that is it. That is the UTV Hood coming from Tusk. If you have any other questions about it, leave those below. We'll get those answered. And to pick yours up, it's real simple. Just click on the link after this video or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Enter the make, the model, and the year of your UTV. And as you scroll down, you'll see this hood along with all the other machine-specific parts that we carry for your side-by-side. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.